Hello, you're on TV. Huh? Where you going? Yeah? You can't live on my shoulder. You wanna go for a wander? What do you wanna do? You're adorable. Talk to me. That's it. You're on TV. Is that what's freaking you out? Seeing another guinea pig. But it's you. Don't be afraid. It's just your reflection. Yeah. Now you is comfy. Ah, 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 ah. Oh, you pooped on me. Ah, ah. I'm done. You're going downstairs. Oh, this is going in the wash. Oh, I'm going to have a shower. Ah, ah. You're lucky you're cute. Ah, ah, ah.